Central Post Office. Ayan. It's actually constructed and designed by Gustav. Ayan, let's go inside. Wow, look. Oh, ano ba? Ito yung dried, oh. Mga dried something. Something yan. Siya na pasalubong sa mga. Ayan, yung iba ipapagrind na natin. Thank you. Oh, yum. Ayan, the rain has stopped. Pero may onting drizzle pa. Drizzle? Maambon-ambon pa. But we headed out na. Kasi we'll go back to Pandora. I will buy na my charm. Let's go. I'm back and let's get the charm. Oh my God. Saan na nga yan? The dangling.
Yeah.
The dangling charm. Oh my God.
This one like
Yep. Very nice. Oh. Ganyan siya. Ganyan siya. Yan na Vietnam. Yep. So ayan, we're gonna pay na. And I'd like to wear it as well. Yeah, susuot na natin siya dahil excited ako.
This one item, no change, no refund. Work warranty in Vietnam for 15 days.
15 days. Warranty?
Yep.
Ayan yung ating charm. Dadagdag na natin siya sa mga charms natin dito. Ayan o. Assign daw. Okay. Ayan. Gabi. Okay. Sorry. It's the other way around. Yeah, sorry. Okay. Perfect. Our Vietnam charm. Ayan siya. 2 million dong. So that's 4,500 pesos. Let's go. Ayun, I'm so happy. Nakabili na tayo ng Vietnam charm sa Pandora. Yay! Another addition na sa ating collections. Ayan. So, papunta na tayo dito sa pumunta tayo dun sa Notre Dame Cathedral tsaka dun sa Central Post Office. Pero bago dyan, ito, meron dito yung yung building na I forgot na naman, wait. Ayan, yung City Hall, ano ba? Ayan yung City Hall, oh. Ayan, dyan tayo pupunta. Tara. May event to kasi sinara talaga nila yung kalsada. Ayan o, pati doon. Yung gitna. Ayan o, ano yan? Ayan pala yung event. Ayan yung event o. Tapos, ayun doon, meron ng program. Ayan o, welcome to... meron something, meet our speaker. May something pala. Okay. Mga luxurious brand o. Dito sa Rex Hotel. Ayan, Chanel, Salvatore Ferragamo, meron pa doon Dolce & Gabbana. You know. Ayan, we're here na sa City Hall. And that is the statue of Ho Chi Minh. Chu Tik Ho Chi Minh. That means, ayan o, President Ho Chi Minh. Siya. Diverge. Ayan. Ayan siya up close and personal. The statue of Ho Chi Minh. Ayan. And then that's the City Hall. Okay, let's go there. Ayan, ito na ang munisipyo. Wow. Look at that. This is the City Hall. This is the City Hall of Ho Chi Minh. Very nice. Ganda. Look, may ABC Mart din pala dito sa Ho Chi Minh. Oh, di ba? Dati sa Japan lang ako nakakakita niyan, saka nakakabili. Meron din pala dito. Diyan yung murang shoes sa ABC Mart. Yes. Diyan pala yung ibang shopping, eksena. Uniqlo. Ayan. Sa Parkson Plaza. Ayan pa may Uniqlo. May Uniqlo sa loob. Okay, but we're heading this way. Ayan. Muna tayo sa Notre Dame Basilica, Saigon, or Notre Dame Cathedral. Guys, ito yung expectation sa Google. Ayan, ginugol ko for you. And then this is the reality. Charan! Ayan siya ngayon. Under construction, or renovation rather. It's under renovation. Ayan, the two bell tower of the Notre Dame Cathedral, Saigon, is under construction. So, yeah. Hindi tayo makakakuha ng picture for it. But yeah, let's get closer. Dami kila pati, mother. Magawin mo. Takbo ka dyan. So, ayun siya. So, actually, the first wooden church was originally constructed in 1863, and then this stone one was finished in 1880. Ayan. And then the two bell towers were added and finished in 1895. Ayan. And that is the Notre Dame Cathedral, Saigon. Ayan. And may mga nagpapapicture pa rin in all fairness, Ayan, under renovation yung tower, yung bell tower. But, yeah, napakita ko na sa inyo yung original picture niya sa Google. Ito naman siya. Ayan, parang may mini exhibit siya dito sa gilid. Ayan, o. Ayan. Para siyang may mini exhibit dito. Ayan siya. Ito yung namang pictures niya pala, o. Ayan, o. Ayan. Ayan yung lumang niyang pictures. And then, ito siya up close. Ayan. Yung bell tower. Ito na ang Central Post Office. Ayan. It's actually constructed and designed by Gustave Eiffel. Yes, the same person who designed and constructed Eiffel Tower. Kasi nga, di ba? French colony kasi before ang Saigon or ang Vietnam. Kaya we still see original French structures dito. Ayan. After the revolution. Ayan, let's go inside. Wow, look. Look. Ang ganda. May ano. Saigon. Ang lumang map ng Saigon. Again, oh. '92. Naka-French pa siya, no? Wow. Andyan tayo. Dito yung hotel natin, banda. Our hotel is there. Wow. Oh, it's nice to be back. By the way, I was here in 2018, and did you know that I have a vlog? It's my first vlog, Vietnam. So, I'm gonna post the link below. Ayan. Watch my very first vlog bilang amateuristang vlogger dati. Feeling ko ako dati si Cara David. And feeling ko eyewitness, yeah. I'm doing a documentary. Ayan. Oh, did you know that you can still send postcards here? Ayan, domestic and international parcels. Ayan. So you can choose your postcards there. Ayan. Ayan. And then you can still send it via mail. O, diba? Very nice. Ayan o. Diyan kayo magsusulat ng mga messages ninyo. Like that. And then, you're gonna mail it. International. Oh, I found this. You can actually book your hop and off. Ayan o. Double-decker bus tour here at the Central Post Office. Ayan.
I make eyelash like you.
Ganda siya na eyelash.
I like the long eyelash.
Yeah.
But my natural eyelash.
It's not that
like
long.
this.
Ngayon tingin tayo ng mga jade. Jade. Eh, mother. Oh. The bato. Oh, 2 million. Alang mahal. 4,000 or 5,000 pesos. So may shops na pala dito. Ano, ayan, magkabilang gilid shops. There. Let's see. Let's ask for the prices. Ayan, no, ang dami pala. Gemstones. There, oh. Oh. Very nice. How much is that? Is this jade?
200,000 dong.
200,000. Nice. 200,000 dong. Same? This one. Oh! 180,000. Oh. This one. 200,000. 200,000 din malaki. Ito meron na siya nung parang press. It's 460,000 dong. For all the coffee lovers out there. And this one is 200,000 dong. Diesel coffee. I think this is the Alamid cut. Coffee civet cut in the Philippines. Yeah. Oh, this one. Oh, with paper filter. 200,000. Yeah. Ayan, oh. How much is this? Mas mura dito, oh. Ito, oh. So, this is cheaper because it's already 10 pieces of ref magnet for only 110,000 dong. Ayan, 10 pieces na siya. You can also have like keychains. Ayan, dito yan sa post office. Ayan. So, later, we'll go to Bentan Market and then let's compare the prices. So, ayan, tandaan natin. 110,000 for a set. And then, this one, oh, this is so nice. Grabe. Father, baka mo nga, paparinig ko lang sa ating mga friends. Ayan, oh. This is for 230,000 dong. Ayan, paparinig ko sa inyo. O, diba, Harry Potter? Bibili ako niyan. Yan, bibili ako niyan for sure. Ito rin pala isang set, oh. Same price, 110,000 dong. Ayan. So, naglakad na tayo papunta ng Bientan Market. Ayan na siya actually. Ayan, oh. Ayun. Ayan na siya. Ang ganda dito sa lugar na to. Look at that. Tabi-tabi yung mga establishments. Ang ganda ng ilaw. So it's just a few minute walk away from the post office. Ano? Like 7 to 10 minutes. Ayan. Let's go there. Welcome to Bentan Market. Ayan. Let's see na. The Bentan. Tagalog siya. Sabi niya, mura lang daw. Let's start the search. Oh, ano to? Ito yung dried, oh. Mga dried something. And then, syempre may coffee. Actually, ang daming coffee dito, guys. There's a lot of coffee. Ayun, may coffee pa there, oh. Ayan, mga coffee. Ayan. So we check the this one. Let's ask. Itong cute, oh. How much is this?
200.
200. Okay. Iba yung design. Kaya doon sa kabila, 100 lang. This is the last part, ayan. So in here, some clothes, and then coat. Okay, they're selling coats, bags. Make suit one day. You can make dress one day. Mga tailors na pala dito. Okay, let's go back. Ng t-shirt?
Anong tayo? Try natin. Pag nagulat ako, yun.
Ayun, t-shirt. Anong gulat? Ito pala yun, t-shirt. We will ask the price of the shirt. Ito shirt. How much is the shirt?
What is it?
Anong daw?
Magkano?
How much?
This one for 1.8, but you buy mini ID card for this one.
Okay. 220.
How much you want?
So we found this, guys. This is 270. And this is very nice quality dito kasi sorry. 270 siya ito.
I like that one.
But this one, ayan, 100 lang siya. Ito. 100,000 lang siya. Ang ganda. Wak! Ang shoppingera mong nanay. Ilan na yan? Siya nang pasalubong sa mga amiga. T-shirt. Tsagod. Zumba t-shirt. Anong araw niya itong yellow?
Sikat anong araw naman.
Like that.
What do you think?
Ay, naka-record. Wait. She's asking for the size. Dagdag pa ako ng isang dry fit shorts. Ayan. From 450, natawaran ko siya ng dalawa 250,000 for two. If you haggle really, you can buy cheaper ones, or you can take it for lesser price. For 450, two for 250. Diba?
This one, y'all, is same Philippine.
Okay. So, malaki daw. I'm asking for medium. This is small daw for me. Sa Philippines daw. The medium in Philippines is XL in Vietnam. Open na sana ako eh. Ayan, so. Yeah. Pero sobrang daming bilihan ng coffee. There's a lot of coffee, oh. Can I see?
That's sige.
Ako. Can I see? How much is that? How much per gram?
Happy. What a belly count.
May free taste sila dito.
Yeah.
Try natin yung coffee nila. May free taste sila dito. Sige. What type of
coffee I pay for you?
What type of coffee is that? Vietnam coffee.
Organic one. Chango. Low coffee lager.
Very nice.
Number one.
Sarap.
I told you.
Whistle. Ayan, mother. Whistle. So, try
Have a
natin.
seat.
Ate daw, ate. Ayan.
Buy
Whistle.
Happy.
Kasi bibili ako nung ano lang ha.
Okay.
She feel it already.
Kasi yung whistle. Ito, whistle naman siya.
Oh, like. Go here, what? That go there. Go here.
Ako titikim, di ba?
Ang sarap. I want to buy Vietnam coffee
Okay, you
and
find it what?
luwak.
Yeah, you
coffee.
find it what first?
Whistle.
Have medica here. Depend how many pack you buy out in for you. Over to low the salt.
How much if I buy 400 grams and then 400?
We have small pack. There is 250 watt. 250 watt.
No, I will buy for 4 people, 100 grams each.
So actually you buy 100.
Ito naman, whistle naman siya.
Lower coffee.
Whistle coffee.
Lower coffee.
Very nice. Very creamy. Ang sarap. No?
Make one. Buy it one.
Ayan.
O sige na, ano na.
See, it cao already. Buy that. 50, 500, like this. One. Dollar 500. Cao. Set up.
1.9. Mahal.
Okay, over to low so how much you can pay? You need to.
How many per gram? 150?
I told edit ka for you can look at it.
So, yun na yung bibilihin natin.
Different. Cheaper.
Yeah, it's okay.
Hindi naman nila alam yan.
Ayan, bibilihin natin yan. 200, 1 kilo.
Isang
Yan.
kilo? 900.
900,000.
Paano mo hati-hati? 200 grams.
But the Thailand the same with this one and this one. So next time you don't tell me different.
Okay. She said that I can no longer reseal it once it's open. So, but that's totally fine. Ayan, yung iba ipapagrind na natin. Yeah, fresh.
Not the same as the smell.
Vietnamese coffee. Ayan.
200 din yun.
Ayan. Napag-grind na natin. Ayan na. Tapos may free tayong gano'n, no? Ayan, no? Yay!
One is one, one is one.
Ayan na, nakabili na tayo. Kung kita sana ako sa camera. Ayan, so 1 kilo tayo na binili natin. It's 900,000. Ah, thank you so much.
thank you.
900,000.
Oh, yum.
Yeah, may free pa tayo nung mga
Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat. Thank you.
Balam.
Meron tayong free... Ini-stop mo. Meron tayong free ayun no. Kung pinapakita sa amin ng cameraman ko yung filter. Mga free filters tayo. Ayan, yes. Alright. So, pinaputol ng cameraman ko yung video. Bibili na tayo ng keychain tsaka ng... Anong bibili mo? Langka ni Mother. Okay, let's go. Ito, Mother. Bibili ka ba? Ayan. 150?
I want not 120. Dagdagan yun.
150, I add for you more.
Okay. Ayan si Mother, bumili siya. 150,000. Ang sarap. 500. 500 grams plus dagdag from Kuya.
Yes.
Happy daw ba? Oh, you buy more, ah? Bibili pa si Mother ng cashew nuts. Taste muna, taste nuts. Ano? Sarap. This is plain. And then this one is salted. Huwag mo daw kasi kamayin. salted.
Buti na lang.
This one, half kilo or half mini.
So, 300, right?
Ang cute ng Miming. Ayan o. Ayan. My God. Finally, we're done with our souvenirs and coffee and dried fruits and all that. Now, we'll go out and head to ATM because I ran out of cash. Wala na tayong cash. So, mag-withdraw muna ako and then we'll eat at Jollibee, Vietnam. Pumunta ng Vietnam para mag-Jollibee, di ba? Okay, change of plans. Ang laki pala ng Jollibee dito. So, ayun, we'll just go back to our hotel and then dun tayo kakain sa mga restaurants along the way. Tsaka gusto ko yung parang sa mga gilid-gilid, just like where we ate sa Hanoi. Yung mga ganon. Oh my God, for the Hoggart. Just like where we ate in Hanoi, di ba? Remember that? Kasi that's the authentic talaga, the authentic, taste of Vietnam. So, let's try naman dito sa Ho Chi Minh. Ayan, tara. Yan, nakakita tayo nito. Ito. Ayan, rice noodles with grilled pork and spring rolls. Ayan. Ayan. And then, we'll eat it back to our hotel. Ayan. Kasi ito yung noodles nila. Sarap! Ayan, ito na yung ating dinner. Ang sarap po. Diba? Pancit with grilled pork and fried spring roll. Ayan. Ito sa ating dinner table ng ating family size room. Grabe, best decision ever tong itong pancit na to. Ang sarap. Tsaka itong tawag dito?
Magpa-Jollibee ka pa.
Gusto ko sana mag-Jollibee kasi ang layo. Buti na lang talaga malayo yung Jollibee. Sa Pilipinas na lang tayo lumaps ng Jollibee. But, my God, this is so delicious. I think what makes it more delicious is itong sauce. Parang siyang oil with vinegar and something. Ang sarap. And then the grilled pork. Ayan o. Tsaka to. Ito talaga. Ito talaga yung nagpasarap siya. Ayan o. Chuk, chuk, chuk. Eh, let's eat. Yummy. Sarap. Ito yung view ng room sa kapit. Look at the view, guys. Oh, diba? Wait. Here. Diba? Oh. And then, the Saigon View Deck. Yan. Ang taas. Ayan. Ayan. Ito, papuksan na natin ito. Hi! Very nice. Oh, look at that. That's the view of our hotel. We're on the 7th floor. Ayan. And we're done with our dinner. Ayan. I think that's it for our first day here in Ho Chi Minh. Oh my God, I need some rest and shower. Shower muna tayo before tayo mag-sleep for tonight. Thank you so much for being with us today. This has been Chase Sanity. Bye!
Picture tayo.
Mokay Bayo!
Ha?